So the helicopter have arrived. Okay, hello everyone. So yes, right now we are going towards the helicopter. तो अभी हम लोग चल रहे हैं, चलते हैं. Oh, nice. Okay, so the ride is all over. Felt really happy experiencing it for the first time. Somewhat kind of like a flight, but yet it's more, but flight is more smooth and it's more comfortable. The helicopter is a bit, shaky, but flight is very smooth. So yep, that's what. Again, flying back. So yes, done with the helicopter ride, and it was fun. Yes, I would really ask every one of you to come Gangtok and do this helicopter ride in your lifetime, once in a lifetime. And what to say, yes, it was fun. It was a lot of fun. Experienced it for the first time. So first time का तो बहुत अच्छा feel होता है, you know, whenever you do something for the first time you feel great. This is the helicopter, as you can see. And this was our great pilot. Hello sir.
Hello.
I'm NILADRI. What's your name?
Akshay.
Okay.
You said again?
NILADRI.
NILADRI.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Nidhi.
Nidhi. Rocky Uchin sir from Mumbai.
So sir, from how long you're flying this helicopter sir now?
With Pavanand since 2007.
2007. So it's been like 10 years.
Yeah, 11th
Exactly.
year now.
11 years. Yes.
It's a pleasure flying with you. Sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same here. Same here. Nice.
Land safely.
You both belong to Gangtok?
No, I belong from Siliguri. She is from Mumbai. Mumbai.
Okay,
I rode
great.
my bike all the way from Mumbai to
Mumbai too.
Oh wow! Artist, congratulations. That's wonderful.
Thank you very much.
And how many halts en route?
I completed all Northeast, so this is my 21st day in the Northeast.
Oh great! I'm really impressed. And what bike are you riding?
It's a KTM 390 Duke.
Okay.
It's a customized
Great,
bike, so
great.
it's for the off-road.
Lovely,
Just
lovely.
finished Natula Pass and Zilapur yesterday.
Lovely,
So
lovely.
I'll be
Impressed.
ready. Thank you, sir.
In fact, I have done some cycle riding cross.
Oh, that's more respect for
Oh.
this
from
one.
Pune to Chennai,
Oh,
long time back.
Oh wow.
Are you an ex-army man by any chance?
Yes.
Yes, I think I have read about you.
You shouldn't have.
No, I think,
There's nothing great.
I have.
No, no,
That's the
it,
reason.
it should
Cycle
be.
trip, yes.
Cycle trip. No, but army keeps
Keep doing
doing
that.
it.
Yeah.
I did it long back in my academy days,
Oh.
MBA.
Nice.
Nice to talk.
It's a pleasure flying with you, sir.
Same here.
Thank
So
you,
can
thank
we have
you.
a photo with you?
Oh,
Yeah, sure.
it'll be my pleasure. Provided I get a copy also.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video once again. And yes, if you guys want to follow me back in Instagram, then you can follow as Biker NILADRI, and even you can like my Facebook page, that is Biker NILADRI. And yes, in this trip I met really awesome people. Ye mila, tu mili,
मैं
and-
मिला,
तू मिली
मैं मिला, तू मिली, मैं मिला, दुनिया जले तो
चले
अरे गाना मत गा, नहीं तो फिर कॉपीराइट क्लेम आ जाएगा. Okay, bye bye guys. चलो, see you soon in the next vlog.
And do subscribe.
No,
No?
like comment and
And
share
And
वो
subscribe.
इनका मर्जी होता है. ये करेंगे तो ठीक है, नहीं तो अबे यार सब्सक्राइब
Please,
मत बोला
please,
कर.
मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं
please,
मत बोला
इसके-
करिए लोग.
इसको सब्सक्राइब करो.
comment below.
Yeah, comment below your experience and how you felt after watching this video. चलो, bye bye.
Nice meeting you all. And
Yes.
Niladri.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I'll request for a copy with both both these photographs. No? I'll click it for the three of
अरे
you.
oh,
Yeah.
that's. So from the front side we can.
Yeah. Anywhere, wherever you desire. Actually, ideal will be from that side.
From the front
Yeah.
side.
Because of the sunlight conditions also, ideal will be from